Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. This is grade 6 social studies. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your break. Today is the third lesson of this ninth week. Don't forget to revise and learn what is taught to you before. So, today is the third lesson of this chapter, name environment, and this was the eighth chapter from our history section. So, boys and girls, before I start the discussion and reinforcement of the topic with you in the form of this worksheet, just keep your copies, your books, and stationery items with you so that you may do the written work once I finish the discussion. So, let's start the reinforcement through this worksheet. This chapter, as the name shows, it is about environment. So, environment is everything around us. It is air, land, and water. So anything which changes the composition or the percentage of ingredients of this environment, then that is cause actually the pollution. So pollution is a state when the composition of air, water, or land, which is the components of our environment, whenever their composition is changed, the pollution is actually the reason. So how many types of pollution are there? We have already discussed it through the topic. There are three kinds of pollution, and there is a fourth one also: air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. These are the environmental pollutions. But again, there is nowadays another type of pollution which is also included, the fourth type. It is discussed as the pollution now. Before that, it was just considered as noise, but now it is referred as noise pollution. So, this is due to loud voices, the raised volumes, and a very irritable sounds which are unpleasant to our hearing. So, let's start with the fill in first question, that is fill in the blanks. The three principles stands for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Then many industrial processes have dangerous waste products which are drained into the rivers, making the water poisonous. Now, third one is billions of motor vehicles emit toxic gases. The gas emission from the factories form a blanket causing the global warming. We have discussed it through our air pollution that global warming is as a result of increased amount of carbon dioxide gas, which is just like spreading around us just like the blanket. Then the carbon dioxide emission into the atmosphere is fairly high in the developing countries. Air conditioners and refrigerator units release CFCs which destroy the ozone layers. The huge hoardings and advertisement boards create visual pollution. So again, another type of pollution which is to be introduced with you people right now. Now here are a few multiple choice questions. Deforestation also causes water pollution, soil pollution, animal diseases, none of them. So this is number B, soil pollution. And second one is Maldives has banned dash to protect the reefs. That is deep sea fishing, coconut plantation, coral mining, or police. This is coral mining, that is C. Then the Chipko movement have launched to save dash in India and Nepal. That is to save trees, rivers, wildlife, or dolphin. So this movement is in order to save trees. The next one is dash are harmful because they do not decompose and not to be recycled. Green plants, electronic products, marine animals, all of them. So this is B, electronic products. Number 5, the United Nations Environmental Program was set up to deal with dash. This was road building, environmental issues, space exploration, A and B both. So this was United Nations Environmental Program was set up to deal with environmental issues. Now name the types of pollution. As we have discussed, this is air pollution, noise pollution, and then land pollution and water pollution or radioactive pollution. This is again the type of pollution. Now our question is, see, what is this? What is this picture showing? So this is a picture of Earth, and what is it showing? Earth is damaged because of pollution and unhealthy environmental degradation. Now here are few types of pollutions which are listed here, and they are jumbled up. What you have to do, you have to separate them and you have to place them in the relevant columns. So there is a list of pollutions. So let's see what is under the water pollution. That is chemical from the factories emissions, and then oil spills. Then what is in the noise pollution? Loud music, LOUD, loud. This is actually not visible. This is loud music. Then construction work, then sirens and alarms. Then air pollution, burning of fuels, untreated sewages, and factory emissions. This is air pollution. Then spitting, land pollution, spitting, garbage, and volcanic eruptions. Then fallen leaves also. Identify the following pollutions as they are given below. So this is the fume which are coming out of the factories through chimneys. Then there is the loudspeaker. So this is air pollution, and the next one is noise pollution. And lastly, this rain type which is shown, that is also causing the result of air pollution. That is, this is acid rain. So boys and girls, this is the topic for today that I have revised with you, that is environment, and we have just completed it now and through this worksheet. So you people don't forget to read the chapter thoroughly and learn the question and answers that we have done before. Do your work and submit it timely in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.